So our award-winning section has 3 pictures, and above we have heading. This is the 12 column div. We have a heading and some paragraph, right? So this is inside the container, and this inside the. So our award-winning section is done now. So after that, we need to create the services. So write the services comment. Then we have create a div and give it a class. Give it a class equal to container, margin along y-axis is 5 and padding along y-axis is 5, and give it id is equal to services. Then after that we have section block content. Let me write the comment. Section block content, we have section and give it a class is equal to padding top 5, and let me add some space. Then after that we have a h2 heading and give it a class font width bold, text dash center, and marginal bottom 5, padding bottom 5. Then we have service h. So all the service h styling we have done in style.css, so that's what we are using here. So our services, and after the h2 tag we need to create a row, grid row, and we will create a div and give it a class is equal to row, and inside this we need to create the column. So let me add some space and write the comment grid column and grid column. So div and give it a class is equal to code dash lg dash 3, and on medium screen we have 6, so margin bottom 4, and then we have our card. So we will add 4 cards. So this is our first card, and so with a class is equal to card and padding along all sides is 4, and give it a id is equal to hover. So when we hover on the card, it will appear on the screen and it will translate. So background dash color style and FED 9BD. Then we have a border radius 25 pixel. After that we have a div and give it a class equal to text at center. Then we have a font awesome icon, FAS FA-home, FA-3x, so our font icon will be larger. Then after this div we need to create a div and give it a class equal to car dash body and text at center. Then we have the h4 heading and give it a class equal to font width bold. Then we have style and pet supporting. So after the h4 tag we have a paragraph, give it a class text dash left and mb dash lg dash 0. Then we have some dummy text, and after we need to add a button. So this is anchor tag and give it a class is equal to btn dash md btn dash primary dash outline, and give it a class id is equal to book now, href hashtag content and book now. So this is our first card. Now we need to create 3 more cards. So this is inside the card body, and this is our card first card, and this is our first 3 column div. Now we need to create 3 more. So let me add some space and give it a grid column and create a div and give it a class equal to code dash lg dash 3 and code dash md dash 6, margin bottom 4. Then we have our card. Inside this we give a class is equal to card and padding along all sides is 4. Then we have id is equal to hope. Then style is equal to background color, hashtag CDEABA, border radius 25 pixel. Then we have a border 2 pixel solid and color CDEABA. Then we have a div where we have the font awesome icon, And after this div we have a card body where we have the heading h4 with a class font width bold, margin bottom 4, and style font size 20 pixels. Then we have color, and after that we have font width. After the heading we will get a paragraph, give it a color and some dummy text, and this is the anchor tag. So id is equal to book now and href hashtag contact and book now. So two cards are done now. So this is card body and this is card, and this is inside the 3-column div. So first, second, now for the third one, create column, create a div and give it a class is equal to total-lg-3. Similarly, then we have a card, create a div and give it a class is equal to card p-4. The id is equal to hove. Then we have a style is equal to background color, then border radius, and inside this div we will create another div and give it a class equal to text-center as we done above. And inside this we have a font awesome icon, FA-chest-night, and this size will be FA-3x. Logo color will give you the orange effect. After this we have a div and give it a class equal to card body. Then we have a h4. After that we have a paragraph, give it a class equal to text dash left, margin bottom dash lg dash 0. Then after we have button, book now button, href hashtag content and book now. So our 3 cards are ready now. So this is card and this is 3-column div. So 3, 6, 9, 3-column left. So let's create for the last one, grid column, and this is 3 columns, so total will be 12 column. And inside this similarly we will create a card and create a div and give it a class is equal to card p-4 and id is equal to hove. Then we have a style per background color AFF0F6. Similarly we will create a div and give it a class equal to text-center. Then we have a font awesome icon FAB FA-GitHub and FA-3x. After that we have a card body, give it a class equal to card dash body, then text-center. Then we have a h4 font weight bold, margin bottom 4. Then we have style font size 20 pixel, color 1818 and font weight 800. Then we have our paragraph, give it a class equal to text dash left, margin bottom dash lg dash 0. Then we have a style and some dummy text, and this is our last book now button, btn dash md, btn dash primary dash outline class, and book now. So I think our service section is done now. Let me refresh the page. So let's scroll down. So this is our award winning section. Then we have our services section. So we have 3-column div, then we have 3-column 3, total 12 columns, and this is inside the row. And then we have h2, then this is inside the section, and this is inside the container. So let me larger the screen. So our service section, and when we hover on this it will appear and give you this effect. So we have a pet food section and activities and exercise section. Then we have so that's it for this video, and I will see you in the next one.